Hello guys, in this part we learn for loop in C#. When you know exactly how many times you want to loop through a block of code, use the for loop instead of a while loop. So, for loop syntax. Use the for keyword and statement 1, semicolon, statement 2, and semicolon, and statement 3, and a block of code. Statement 1 is executed one time before the execution of the code block. Statement 2 defines the condition for execution the code block, and statement 3 is executed every time after the code block has been executed. So, example. In this example, we will print the numbers from 0 to 4. So, for int I equals 0 and semicolon I is smaller than 5, semicolon, and I plus plus, and a code block. Console.writeLine I. Control F5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Statement 1. This is a statement 1. Statement 1 sets a variable before the loop starts. This is a statement 2. Statement 2 defines the condition for the loop to run. If the condition is true, the loop will start it over again, and if it is false, the loop will end. And this is a statement 3. Statement 3 increases the value each time the code block in the loop has been executed. Another example. In this example, we will only print even values between 0 to 10. 0 and 10. So, for int I equals 0, semicolon, I smaller or equal to 10, and semicolon, I equal I plus 2, and a code block. Console.writeLine I. Control F5. 0 and 0 plus 2 equal 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and etc. The for each loop. There is also a for each loop which is used exclusively to loop through elements in an array. So for each loop syntax. Use the for each keyword and a data type and variable name in keyword and array name and a code block. Example. In this example, we will output all elements in the cars array using the for each loop. So, defines an array, a string array, and cars name equal to Volvo and BMW and Ford and Mazda, and use for each loop. For each a string, a data type, a string, car, variable name car, in keyword and array name cars, and a block of code. Console.writeLine car. Control F5. Volvo, BMW, Ford, and Mazda. Don't worry if you don't understand in this example. You will learn more about arrays in the C# arrays chapter.